the discount area, you can create new discounts on your store. You can add it by clicking on Add Discount, and here you have the three different types of discounts that you can create: a flat, a percentage based, and free shipping. Flat and percentage, the only difference is that once is obviously a flat discount of a certain price that you point out here, or a percentage here. So you can add, obviously you need to add a discount name, how we recorded here, a discount code, if it is by applying a discount code on checkout. If you want to have it automatically, you can click on here, and that will be applied to all people who are part of the rule that you have here. For example, when people are part of a specific members group, or for a certain category, you can have a flat discount or a specific product. You can add a discount code here, and from what date to what date this discount will be applied to this set of products or to members, or whatever rule you add. Here you have the option, when you have a discount code, to allow with auto discounts, or just it will take only the biggest discounts that is available for the product that you're purchasing. The percentage is absolutely the same. The only difference is it is in percentage of the price. And free shipping, if you have shipping for the physical products, obviously you can create a discount code to remove this shipping, and again you add a valid from and valid to for the discount code. Here we have a couple created discounts. As you can see, this one is disabled. You can always enable it by clicking on enable, and you can always edit them by clicking on edit and see what information is added for each one of them. So this is how simple it is to create and organize your own discount codes on the store.